I can go real quick. I mean, if don't nobody
It's
go.
right on time. All right, right on time.
Yeah.
What's been going on, girl?
So I've been trying to find like a virtual assistant, because I can't do it all. I'm going insane trying to do everything. And I mean, at the end of the day, I should be able to do everything, because I have to learn in certain areas.
Yeah,
But I told you I was going with a company that was free to me, for not minority businesses. And it
right.
seems like I'm not going nowhere where with them. I mean, of course, it's something that's free. They take their time. I mean, I literally went for 2 hours in a class, and we barely even finished my link to my website so people can book with me. And normally, when I go somewhere, I'm supposed to, like, yeah, like it's been horrible. Reach out to the people. They don't want to, assist. They say, "Oh well, we're gonna." It's a long story. I don't want to, be a party pooper. But at the end of the day, I probably want a virtual assistant. I did find a flexible job for me to still work on my business, so I don't have to, basically, if I don't want to work that day, I don't have to. But I still want to bring in money to support my business at this time and at
Right.
this moment. I did do a lot of cold calling. I got a nurse, not a nurse home, but a dentist office. And she's supposed to be taking the bid next week. So, like I said, I'm doing a
Good,
walkthrough.
good. Okay.
So I'm
You
just gonna
got
do
the
the best
dentist
that I
office
can.
through you were cold calling?
Yeah, I just cold called. And I ain't gonna lie, it took me like 2 weeks to get her though, because I mean,
You got to stay
once I
consistent. I'm telling you,
yes,
that
it
don't
takes a
surprise
little
me.
while. It takes a little while, but like I said, it takes a little while. But it's a lot. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but it's a lot of cleaning companies where I'm at. I don't know if it's just I'm not scared of
Don't I
nobody.
told you don't pay attention to that. Don't pay
Yeah,
attention to that. Don't say that no more. Get that out of your head because it's a
yes,
billion cleaning businesses out here, but it's not
yes.
a billion good cleaning businesses out there.
That's
You
true.
understand?
That's true. That's what
It's
she told
hard to
me.
be a great cleaning business, you know.
Yes,
So people are making LLCs every day, yeah,
yeah,
basically. But don't work,
that's
don't
true.
think about them. Don't think about them.
Nah, I'm
Okay.
not. I mean, it's like I said. I've been doing the cold calling, and I only found one yet. But I'm gonna keep on going because, like I said, I do the flexible job to pay my bills at this time because my cleaning business I'm starting from scratch.
Yeah.
Now so I only got one client, but I'm not giving up on my dream because this is what I want. I have a drive for it. So at the end of the day, I just want to try to see where you can get a virtual assistant from. On Facebook they have this thing. It's called a doer. I don't know if you've seen that commercial. But they asking for some crazy money. 40,
You said do
so
work?
it's called a doer. It's a virtual assistant.
No,
And
I
they
never
asking for
heard.
crazy money up front. So they asking for like 2 months worth of pay. And it's $10 an hour, but they want you to do your virtual assistants 40 hours a week. So they want you to pay 2 months up front. That's like $3,600.
Oh yeah.
So I didn't
Yeah.
know virtual assistants. I didn't know virtual assistants was that high. I mean, I don't know if
No, they're
that's not
not.
for you.
They're not that high. That company is high. So what that
Yes.
company is doing is they're getting the virtual assistants from the Philippines for $5 an hour, and they're charging American people like you 36. That's what's
Yes.
going
Yes. And I swear I went on YouTube and seen exactly what you said. So told me like go on YouTube because this doesn't make any sense. Of course, I didn't go with what she said because I'm like this don't even make no sense. Like I said, part time work. Like there's no 40 hours in my business just yet. So why would I give somebody 40 hours for just to do nothing basically? Because they can
on.
schedule
Yeah.
posts and everything working part time, instead of full time. So,
Right.
like I said, I'm just looking around for virtual assistants to kind of help me with the back
Try
office.
going on go on Upwork and go on Online Jobs PH.
Okay, Upwork and online.
I'll put it in the chat.
Okay, okay, that'll work for me because that's the only thing I need is just to have somebody to have my back, like with all my bookkeeping and stuff like that. Because see, I'm out doing every job. I can't do every job if I working 9 to 5 and then also trying to keep my business afloat. It's kind of hard, but I am doing it. So. That's all
Yeah,
I can do.
you you're building a whole business up front.
Yeah.
So I mean,
I
from the
mean,
bottom. That's what people
yeah.
have to understand at the end of the day. Like these companies, you can drive down the street and you can see McDonald's, you can see Target. Like imagine building Target from the LLC.
Yeah.
Okay.
It takes time.
This is a business, you guys. Like it's not supposed to be easy. You're not
Oh
supposed
yeah, I
to
know
have
so.
all the parts already. I think social media makes us feel like it's supposed to be like microwavable success, and that's just not it. This is you're building a business from the LLC on up. So it's going to
Yeah.
take time, it's going to take consistency. It really depends on how hungry you are. You know, that's how I know Kyler's definitely going to be successful because he is like every day hammering it, like every day. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like every day. That's how you have to be in your business. Cold call every day. You don't cold call three, four times and then think that that's it because you're tired, and then go work an 8-hour job for somebody else's dream.
Yeah. That's true.
You know, see that's the problem. We have been conditioned to work for other people like crazy, and then when it comes to our business, we tired after the third phone call. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
So
you also have to know what you're targeting when you also is making cold calls because it is
yeah,
hard to get to the
yeah,
main person over their phone. You got to convince them for sure that your cleaning company is the best or you're going to bring up some value to their business because at the
right.
end of the day,
Or
a
or
lot of
just
cleaning
go door to
companies don't
door.
do that.
You know, they
Hmm.
can't shoo you away when you go door to door. Go door to
Yeah.
door, dress up, put your shirt on, you know, with your logo, get your flyer, and just get in their face. Those
Yes.
are the two. We always talk about cold calling door to door because that's the cheapest way to do it. It's free for crying out loud. And if you win a bid, and let's say you've been cold calling all freaking week and you win one account that was $5,000 a month. Was it worth it or not?
And it was
And you
worth it.
didn't
It
run
was
no
worth it.
ads.
Yeah,
You
that was
didn't
it was
do
worth
no
it.
ads.
Yes, it was worth it, but yeah, that's way better. I think cold calling and like you said, walking door to door. I just have to find what I really like. Right now, I did a lot of people in my area, so I probably have to
Mhm.
go outside of my area and just find out what I want to do. Because if I go like, I've been trying to do commercial. I've been doing commercials, so I've been trying to like go like to hotels. I've been trying to like go like like to any type of business where I feel like daycares. A lot of people they be like, "Oh, we got inside cleaners," but I dress up. I don't try to look at like I'm not professional. I try to talk as professional as possible,
Right.
to them and let them know like, hey, we have Google. You can Google our business and see how we do.
Mhm.
I try my best to be professional as much as possible. But yes, it
Right.
is free. It's free to do a cold call. So that's what I've been doing. So
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
trying to
It's
cold call.
free. Just you hang in there now. Well, what
Yeah.
hours are you working right now?
So I'm just doing flexible hours. So I'm not gonna lie. I this might be sound bad, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. So I'm doing a Spark shopper where I deliver groceries, and I ain't gonna lie. I'm putting my flyers in these grocery
Ain't
bags.
nothing wrong.
That's what I'm doing because I see these houses that I'm pulling up over. It's always the people that got the big huge house. You pull up, you
Get
a
some
good tip.
extra here.
So,
Yeah.
so at the end of the day, my hours is from 9
I
and
didn't
8
think about
a.m. in
that.
the morning. Yeah, so at 9 a.m. in the morning, I found one person that we did deep clean on. By the way, she had real estate, and she I think it was a two bedroom, 1,800 square feet. I charged 325. We did that last week. So you
Mm.
can find people doing, delivery services. Hey,
Wow.
that's what I did. I
Wow.
passed my
You're
little
killing
card and
two
I seen
birds with one
somebody,
stone.
huh? Yep, I'm still doing some marketing on there too. Just doing what I can do.
You gotta do
It's,
what you gotta
it's,
do.
it's flexible. I mean, hey, it's paying the bills, right?
I ain't gonna lie. I didn't think about that.
Yes.
But that's what's up. You doing what you gotta do, girl.
Hey, stop right there. If you're a cleaning business owner and you're looking for a community to join of like-minded entrepreneurs just like you, that think just like you, and everybody is on the same wave, make sure you tap into our new community. It's called the Cleaners Club. Tap into our community. I go live in the community every week, okay? Wednesday night at 8 o'clock. Wednesdays at 8 o'clock Eastern, I go live and you can ask me anything you want for a live Q&A, okay? Not only that, but I also implemented our courses inside of our community, okay? For $55 a month, you got our courses. I put our forms in there, and you get to talk to me, and you get to join our challenges, okay? So we do challenges every week. You can win prizes, you can win leads. You just have to do the challenge, all right? So make sure that you guys are tapping in. Click the link in bio, click the link in description, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.